Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome back to my channel, Perfect Analyst. So today we are continuing our data types in Python. In my last videos we discussed about immutable data types, and today we are discussing about mutable data types. So what are the difference between these two? As I already explained in detail what is immutable and mutable. So let me explain again. So in immutable data types, we learn we cannot change any elements. Okay, whereas in mutable, meaning you can change their elements after they have been created. So in mutable, there are three types: one list, second one is dictionaries, and we have set. So three different data types will have a different purpose, and we'll try to learn these three data types today. List is one of the fundamental data structure in Python, and it store collection of items. It is of different data types. Okay, it can be integers, floats, strings, also even other lists. Okay, so and it means that you can present a list within a list. Okay, and it is a mutable, meaning you can change their elements after they have been created. And whereas the dictionaries, right, this is another type of mutable data types, where unlike lists, it can be indexed by a range of numbers. And one important thing is you can index key values here. Okay, and in Python, set is also one type of mutable data types which can be changed, and it is defined by curly braces similar to dictionaries, but here the difference is without any key value pairs. Okay, and setter, of course, it's a mutable, meaning you can add any number of elements within the set, and the elements themselves must be immutable. So I'll just open this python command prompt. So this is the Python. I'll just increase the size so that it will be visible for you. Let's do 36 or 28 is fine. Yeah, let's do 28. All right. So first type of data types, mutable data types, is list. So let's try to create some list here. I'm putting employee salary equal to 10,000 salary of first employee, then we have 20,000 salary of second employee, and 30,000 salary of third employee. So let's say three employees. Okay, so this is actually a list. Let's see what type of data set it is, data types. See, you can see it is a list because it's an integer value. Okay, so this the list type of data types. Now here we can do a lot of changes, right? As I said, mutable data types can be changed. So how to change? Let's do some additional employee salary. Dot append. Let's say I'm adding one more here. Okay, what will happen is this 40,000 will be added in the list. If you check what is the current employee salary list, this 40,000 has been added here. And as the definition we know, right, a list must be, or list can be added, means you can add any elements to the list, so it can be changed. That's why it is called mutable data types. Okay, then comes to our dictionaries, right? So what is the difference here? Unlike list, in dictionaries we have to put some key values pairs. Okay, so what is key value pairs? Let's try to understand with an example. So I'll straight away go to python command python command prompt here. Let's say I'm creating one first list. Okay, I'll increase the size to 28. Yeah, so this is a list I'm creating to make you understand first. So here, let's say there are three employees. We have 10,000 salary for first employee, 20,000 salary for second employee, 30,000 for third employee. So always remember, if you have this square bracket, right, it is mostly in list, and in dictionaries it will not be a square bracket, it will be curly bracket. So what I will do is I will add a value or add a key pairs to this value. So I will try to add these numbers with any names, let's say. So employee salary, okay, equal to. So remember, you need to put curly bracket. Okay, in a list you can put square bracket. Here, let's say this 10,000 is for the salary for one employee called Rohan. So I have to put Rohan here and colon and 10,000. Okay, then second salary is for Ram, and third salary is for Hari. Okay, so now if I will type, and if you want to know what is the type of these data types, okay, it is showing dictionary data type, DICT. Okay, so when you are using any data sets where you want to get the data of certain employees in the future, you have a plenty of data with their employee salary and you want to know particular employee salary, then you can use these dictionaries in that type of use case. Okay, so this is a type of dictionaries. Difference is here we have a curly bracket and we are associating one names for this number. It means we are pairing one value or pairing one name to another values or names. So in that case you can use the dictionary data types. I hope dictionary and this list is clear to you. Next we'll move to the another type of data types called set. The main difference between a dictionary and set is, in set there is no duplicate value. That is one difference. And second point is, there is no key value pairs in set, unlike dictionaries. So let's try to understand with example here. So I'm going to create set, okay, or maybe set1 equal to curly bracket. It start with always curly bracket. So I'm putting three value here. Okay, so what is the type of this data type? It is a type of set. Okay, now I'm going to add one more value here. Set one dot add. Let's say I'm adding 2. So what will happen if I want to know whether it is added? Okay, so it is remain same. There is no additional item, additional values here. Okay, this is remains same. So there is no duplicate entry in set, unlike dictionaries. Okay, let's say if I want to add 4. Now this 4 has been added because it is a unique value with this set, right? So this is the difference between a dictionaries and set. I hope it is clear. If you have any queries for any type of data types, immutable and mutable, we learn about different types of immutable database also, and in mutable we learn about like set dictionaries, right? List. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can write in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching my video.